Well, today, APE, also known as AMC Entertainment Holding Preferred Equity, made its debut today. And I can't help but feel like we got a little bit bamboozled with this one. Yeah, I didn't end up taking any trades on it throughout the day. And we had quite a rally out the gates. But the one thing, and something that I was thinking that might happen, was it was incredibly halty. I mean, we had, if you want to go out and count it, there was 13 halts that happened on APE stock today alone. We had a huge rally. I mean, opened at just under $7 straight out the gates, and then ended up just being incredibly halty and ended up closing down almost 10% on the day. So yeah, I can't help but feel like something was a little sketchy with this thing. But anyway, the day was pretty good. I ended plus 80. It was kind of just a small base hit after base hit day, just small trade here, small trade there. Like I said, I didn't end up taking anything on APE or AMC, which this thing was pretty gnarly today, down 41%. Anyway, yeah, I didn't end up taking any trades on this move. Like I said, it was really halty. It was obviously very heavily traded, but I was just kind of disappointed to see this fade so hard after this move and these halts. So I mean, yeah, there wasn't much more on that after it started fading. As you can see, it just kind of. Anyway, so let's get to the actual trades from today. There's plenty of other videos out there on APE if you're curious on that topic. But yeah, my trades were on what was G? Yeah, the other one was GRFX and PET. I'm sorry, PET. I took one break even, but that was on a small, a low volume halt, and I wasn't really taking much size. So yeah, going over the actual bulk of the trades. So drug, I ended up making a pretty nice move. I can't remember what the news was on this thing. I think there was. I know this one. This was the mover from Thursday. If you want to look at the daily chart here, it looks a little funky. But anyway, it had some pretty impressive momentum here. We had some nice consecutive green candles. I'm trying to remember where I took my very first trade on it. It was in the 270s. So yeah, I didn't trade it through this move until it made this leg up here, and I took a few trades for the break here. I remember this was a little bit tricky right here because we were getting into breakout territory, but every time we would, it was looking really heavy. So I wasn't comfortable taking a trade on it and holding for much more than a couple of seconds. We ended up we ran into some resistance, which was kind of tricky to trade through. All in all, I ended up doing pretty well on it. I didn't end up catching anything through this second move here. I think it kind of just went without me, and I was hesitant with this resistance between the 70s and 290s right here. But yeah, I didn't end up making any trades on it here. And then GRFX was the other one that made some. Let's see here. Made a nice move this morning. So my trades on. Oh, that was the other day. See. So I guess it was only one trade that I took on GRFX. The rest was on drug, and it looks like it was on the 13. So yeah, that's right. It was on this leg up right here. I went for the break once it broke $4. It was 405, 407, and then went for the pullback, and the retest, and yeah, I ended up getting 5 cents. But today I was playing it a bit timid. I wasn't feeling super confident. I also got a late start to the day. I opened up my stuff. It was like 8:45 my time, which would be 15 minutes after the market opened, which is also why I missed some of the first part of APE. So a little disappointing there. But anyway, yeah, all in all, it was just kind of a smaller day. Green is good. This was my sixth green day today in a row. So something that I used to have the habit of, well, not the habit, but I would build up confidence, getting green day after green day. And then I would end up having a big red day that would wipe out all of the gains basically from a consecutive week or two or three of nice green. So having that in the back of my mind, I'm trying to trade how I know to trade, how I want to trade, but I'm trying to be almost protect the green, you know what I mean, so I don't end up losing it. But there's a fine line between that. So I'm just trying to figure that out right now myself, between trying to be confident and take the trades that I know, but it's inevitably going to happen. I'm going to have a red day, so I'm just kind of pre-accepting that before it happens. Anyway, what a strange thing trading is. I'll wrap up the day plus 80. I'll be back streaming tomorrow. I'm going to be back at the proper time tomorrow, and hopefully tomorrow we'll get some nice action. Today was a little bit disappointing, a little bit slow. The market's sure as heck slumped again. I think. Yeah, we ended up closing down almost 3% on the Qs, and SPY was down 2%. I mean, it was a pretty bad day. So we'll see. Hopefully tomorrow has some better opportunity in store. But for now, I'm gonna get out of here.